What's good, YouTube? We in Home Depot. What day is it?
Thursday.
So
He's trying to get this big piece of wood.
we're building the TEGU campus. I'm trying to get this big piece of wood. We can tie it to the top of my Jeep. She don't believe we can.
It's very big. I think it's gonna split.
Yeah.
What? See? It's freaking huge. Oh, this cart is horrible. Jesus. Do you think we need two?
Two of these?
Yeah, or just one?
This is huge.
Yeah, I think just
I'm
one.
thinking the floor and the wall, this should be good, right?
Yeah.
This like the floor, this like the floor alone, the right here.
Yeah.
Then the walls, the back wall.
You think that is gonna cover it?
Huh?
You think it's gonna cover it?
You don't? I'm pretty sure. We could bet.
How much do you want to bet? Or what do you want to bet?
If I win, you gotta buy me a tortoise. If
Alright.
you win, I'll buy you anything.
You'll buy me a what?
Anything, any reptile you want.
Alrighty. Probably a tortoise.
Alright. Y'all ready?
Alright,
We gotta go
ta-ta.
to the plexiglass. YouTube, this is why I don't take Anisha nowhere. She just keep trying to buy everything in the store for me.
He needs to be safe when he doing stuff like this. He's using a big ass saw.
This man keep watching this YouTube.
White people. That's what it is.
Fucking ridiculous. I think,
Are you sure you don't
well, I gotta be able to fit him.
Right. You want to try him?
Yeah. Hopefully, this should stay on. Anissa playing so fucking much. And I just want to go home and start building.
Now he knows how it feels. When I'm cleaning, he just want to play.
I really hope this shit don't fall
I feel
off.
like we've been here for 5 years.
Cause you play so much and don't want to help. Oh my gosh, I hope this shit don't fall off.
Yo,
Hold this.
I hope my door stays. Why are you standing over there locking the door? He want me to fall out this bitch. So we're just
Alright.
leaving Home Depot now.
Yeah.
We bought plywood. We bought safety goggles. We bought
Nails.
rope. We bought nails. I didn't know we got
Plexiglass.
Nails. We got plexiglass. We got. That's it. There was a man staring at us while we were at Home Depot.
Yeah,
I guess he's
racist.
never seen black people shop at Home Depot before.
So now I gotta drive slow.
Yeah, because he got. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we're gonna watch it. You got your hazards on? Oh, his car broke. I'm just kidding. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna go home
And start building.
and start fucking building.
Measure everything, get out some more. And then just get to it.
Tree shrubs. Ooh. I can't wait to start building on our land. We're going.
Oh, go ahead and tell them.
We're going Monday. Hey, don't run these people over, please. We're going. Well, people don't know how to walk across the street. They don't have purpose. They just be lollygagging. But yeah, we're going to our land basically, and we're gonna start building. What are we building, babe?
What do you mean?
Like, what is the whole goal of our building?
We're building our. Well, we just expanding. We're taking our business to the land, like to 5 acres.
Yes, we have a lot of plans.
So basically, we're gonna still be rescuing animals, just on a bigger scale. We're still gonna be doing educational shows, just on a way bigger scale.
That sounds good. Sounds fun. I just can't wait to start building, because then I can fuck shit up and keep going. When you're doing this stuff with your parents or with other people, you can't make mistakes like that. You get me?
Yeah, when it's not your own shit.
But even though I'm not gonna be making like a lot of mistakes, but room to learn. Alrighty, YouTube, we're gonna get back to you when we get back to the house. He got Ebola.
YouTube's Brian Barcheck. We're back with another video. No, I'm just playing, y'all. So Oh, the bitter dragon, she's out under the sun. We got this big ass piece of wood home. Me and Anissa even argued about it in the car. But well, we got it home, right? We got it home, right? Let me quit acting stupid. Anyways, so
he got in his feelings because he thought he was gonna kill us.
no, she kept acting like I was gonna kill us. And so I kept saying, we not finna die. We not finna die. And she had a little attitude.
Where's my car kit? Because my team measure is way better than
Alright, YouTube, so we had the great idea to just put the TEGUs under here. This is about 6 feet in total, but we only gonna use 4.5 feet of it. So I already took these off, but for YouTube purposes, we're gonna unscrew it and take everything out again. So time lapse.
He's so irritated. So we decided we're gonna leave it like that with the two little cubby squares, and we're just gonna put, what are we gonna do to the doors, babe? What are we gonna do to the doors?
Plastic.
Okay, he didn't do a great explanation. We're gonna cut out a square and have the door still there, but it be like more clear so you can see the TEGUs a little bit better. That old man.
Just said.
No, you said plastic.
Exactly.
No. Why are you putting it in there?
I don't know.
And then we're gonna get rid of this. He thought he needed it. He's a hoarder, okay? He sees things and he's like, yep, I'm gonna use it, and then ends up never using it. So we're gonna throw this out. We're gonna throw that thing out as well. And yeah, so that looks pretty cool, right? And also, we're gonna update all of our animals' enclosures and tanks and all that stuff. I don't know much about what it's called. I'm learning as we go. But I already have like a setup. See, here, this is what I do. I drew out the TEGU enclosure. That's what it, look at me. But where's the turtle? Oh, that's somebody. Okay, so this is what I have planned for the turtles. You can't see that. That's the key to my success. I don't know why I just showed y'all. And then this is Goodness and Gracious. The little one's Goodness and the big one's Gracious. The reason why I named them that is because when they jump off their little basking thing, they're like they make so much noise.
Yeah, that's so graceful.
Yeah.
And then she just was like, oh my goodness, you're so gracious. And then she was like, maybe that should be her name.
Yeah, the
Alright,
girl's
babe, you wanna
Gracious.
turn it off real quick?
Oh, he's about to sauce some shit up.
Yeah.
Let's see, that's why. How you gonna do it over?
Cut a bigger piece, just a little bigger, and we use this for the wood. I mean, for the doors.
I guess. Look, he put his glasses on, didn't give me mine. Sam could have got in my eyes. He's just...
My bad.
And I think these ones are supposed to be yours. He didn't want me to get him these, and look at all that dust. He would have lost an eyeball.
It's for my mama and all the other family members that asked me, what did you do all day? It's like a school bell.
Don't do this at home, kids.
Don't do this at home, kids. Alright, YouTube. So I got the basics in. The walls, the floors, and then this is the extra part of the wall right here. So now I'm gonna drill all these in and then show y'all after that. Oh, update. So I got all of the walls in. Now I'm gonna do the doors. Yeah. YouTube, I feel so fucking successful. Show them what we did. Hold on. I think we should put one of these back right here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Okay.
Just so it's more clean. No?
Okay. But show them the door, babe. Show them the good shit.
Oh, it looks good. Look.
Yes, sir. Now we're gonna put a wood piece right there. Add the other door. Add the lights. Another day we're gonna spray the inside. For now, we're just gonna leave it.
Spray the inside for what?
Waterproof it a little better.
Mm.
Yeah. Alright, YouTube. So the last steps. I got one lock on here and one lock on there. So I'm gonna add this one on this door and one more up there. Then I'm gonna be done with the outside. You said what, babe?
You're a raw man.
Alright, YouTube, this is the final product.
You can't tell my nigga shit. You can't tell him nothing.
Babe, you wanna open it for the people?
Yes.
We'll come in from this side then. The cooler side, they got that water dish. We gotta get them a high box over here. And then they got the light up there. And yeah, man.
That shit's fucking wrong, man.
Whew, I've been working all day.
He working hard.
I'm tired.
Tired. I owed him a blunt.
I can't wait to smoke it. All right, y'all.
All right, you too. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Stay tuned for an update video.
Catch y'all on the flip side.
Flip side.